Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a party favorite that's sure to bring the fun to any celebration. Introducing the best mini Patron Tequila bottles with alcohol, an essential for your next gathering. Whether it's a birthday bash, a wild bachelor party, or just a fun night with friends, these mini bottles will elevate your festivities to the next level. Here we have the BIRCHIO Tequila Pinata Bundle. This vibrant pinata is more than just a decoration, it's an experience waiting to happen. With dimensions of 17 by 10.5 by 4 inches, this pinata is crafted from high-quality, durable cardboard, ensuring it withstands the excitement of your party. It's not just about looks, it's built to last. Filling up the pinata is a breeze. There's a pre-made hole for easy access, and you can fill it with up to 5 pounds of goodies. Think about it. Candies, chocolates, mini bottles of Patron, and even some fun party favors. It's perfect for creating an unforgettable moment when guests take turns trying to break it open. Just imagine the thrill as everyone gathers around, waiting for that explosive moment of candy and treats raining down. And let's not forget about the accessories. This bundle comes with a blindfold and a bat, adding an extra layer of excitement to the mix. It's all about the fun and laughter as your friends take their swings, trying to crack open the pinata while blindfolded. The anticipation builds, and the joy multiplies with each swing. The versatility of the BIRCHIO Tequila Pinata Bundle makes it ideal for various events. Whether you're celebrating a milestone birthday, a 21st birthday party, or a wild bachelor party, this pinata fits perfectly into your theme. It can serve as both decoration and entertainment, making it a great conversation starter for your guests. While we won't delve into specific customer reviews, I can tell you that many users rave about the premium quality and vibrant design of this pinata. Its eye-catching look and durable materials ensure that it stands out at any event, making it a hit with party-goers of all ages. So, are you ready to take your next celebration to new heights? The BIRCHIO Tequila Pinata Bundle is your go-to choice for adding that extra spark to your party. Grab yours today and get ready for an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Product Critique, and hit that bell icon for notifications on our latest reviews. Share your party ideas in the comments below and let us know how you plan to use the pinata. Until next time, keep celebrating and having fun.